Most traders have heard the name Bill Williams at some point in their trading journey. He was a famous American trader, the author of several well-known trading books, and also the creator of some very popular indicators that are still widely used by traders across all financial markets today. One of those indicators is the alligator indicator, and in this video, we are going to break it down step by step. I will explain what this indicator is, how it actually works, and more importantly, how you can use it in a practical trading strategy. Now let's jump onto the TradingView platform. The first thing we need to do is click on the Indicators section. And here, search for alligator. From the results, select Williams Alligator, which is the built-in version of the indicator on TradingView. Once we add it to the chart, you will see that the indicator is plotted directly on the price chart. This indicator consists of three different lines. The green line is called the alligator's lips, the red line is called the alligator's teeth, and the blue line is called the alligator's jaw. Even though these lines have unique names, technically they are just moving averages with specific settings. If we open the settings of the indicator, we can see exactly how these lines are calculated. The blue line, which is the jaw of the alligator, is a smoothed moving average with a length of 13 and an offset of 8. The red line, which is the teeth, has a moving average length of 8 and an offset of 5. The green line, which is the lips, has a moving average length of 5 and an offset of 3. So in simple terms, the green line is the fastest moving average and it reacts quickly to price movements. The red line is slower and sits between the other two. And the blue line is the slowest line, which means it reacts more slowly to price changes and stays farther away from the price action. Another interesting thing about these settings is that the numbers used for the moving average lengths and offsets are Fibonacci numbers, which Bill Williams intentionally used when designing the indicator. When the three lines of the indicator are very close to each other and moving almost on top of one another, it means the alligator is sleeping. In trading terms, this simply means that the market is not trending and the price is moving sideways. During these phases, the market usually lacks momentum and it becomes very difficult to find reliable trading opportunities. So when the alligator is sleeping, the best thing a trader can do is simply wait. Eventually, the market begins to move again. The first signal that something might be changing is when the green line, which is the lips of the alligator, crosses above or below the other two lines. This situation is called the awakening of the alligator. If the green line crosses above the red and blue lines, it is called a bullish awakening, which suggests that an uptrend may start forming. On the other hand, if the green line crosses below the other two lines, it is called a bearish awakening, which suggests that a downtrend may begin. However, this crossing alone is not enough to confirm that a trend has fully formed. Sometimes these crossings can also occur during large price swings inside a ranging market.
Do you feel like everyone around you benefits from artificial intelligence, but you have no idea where to start? Don't wait any longer. Start today. Our free trading bot is simple to use, powered by artificial intelligence, and can earn you up to 1% profit every single day. Over 500 members have already joined. Click the link below now to get free access. This is your chance to harness the power of AI and take a step toward a financial boost.
So we need to see a stronger confirmation. A strong trend signal appears when the three lines begin to separate from each other and move in the same direction. This means the green line moves first, the red line follows, and then the blue line follows as well. When this happens, it tells us that the alligator has fully awakened and started hunting. In other words, the market has entered a trending phase. The wider the distance between these lines becomes, the stronger the trend usually is. Now let's move to the trading strategy that we can build around this indicator. To make this strategy more reliable, we will add one additional indicator to help us identify the longer-term trend of the market. So once again, we go to the Indicators section and search for EMA, which stands for Exponential Moving Average. Add the standard EMA indicator, and then open its settings. In the Inputs section, change the length of the EMA to 144, which again is a Fibonacci number. Then go to the Style section, change the color of the line to yellow, and increase the thickness so it is easier to see on the chart. Now we have everything set up. This strategy is designed to identify reversal opportunities, meaning we are trying to catch the beginning of a new trend. The first step always focuses on the yellow 144 EMA. When the price crosses above or below this line, it can signal that the long-term market structure is changing. For example, if the price moves from above the yellow EMA and closes below it, that can indicate that the market may be starting a new downtrend. However, just like in most trading strategies, we never enter a trade based only on this signal. We need confirmation. After the price moves below the 144 EMA, we watch the alligator lines. At this stage, the lines are usually wide open because the trend is active. Eventually, the market makes a pullback, and during this pullback, the green line will move upward and touch the red line or even cross above it. This moment shows that the alligator is becoming tired and taking a break during the trend. Now we wait for the next move. If the green line crosses back below the red line, it tells us that the pullback has likely ended and the alligator is ready to continue hunting again. This becomes our sell signal. In practice, a trader could enter a sell position at this point, place the stop loss above the recent pullback, and set a take-profit target with a risk-to-reward ratio of 2. This is how you can open a sell trade using this strategy. The same logic works for buy trades. First, we wait for the price to cross above the 144 EMA, which suggests that a new uptrend may be forming. During this phase, the alligator lines are usually wide open, showing strong upward momentum. Then the market pulls back, and the green line touches or crosses below the red line. This indicates that the trend is temporarily slowing down. Now we watch closely to see what happens next. If the green line crosses back above the red line, it shows that the pullback has ended, and the trend may continue upward. This becomes our buy signal. At that moment, we could enter a buy position, place the stop loss below the pullback, and target a profit that is twice the size of the risk. No trading strategy in the world can guarantee a 100% win rate. This is why risk management is always essential. Alright, that is it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss the upcoming trading videos. See you in the next one, and good luck with your trading.